What's up, guys? Bobby here, and today just want to talk to you about the sweepstake that I'm running. It's for the One Funnel Away challenge. Okay, so what that is it's challenge for a software called ClickFunnels, where essentially, if you're a business owner, you'll need ClickFunnels to build a website, a sales funnel, to make a webinar, to maybe create a course, right? Anything like that. And if you follow Kevin David, he says you should not buy courses, you should sell courses, okay? Anyways, that's another rampage, or what do you call it? Rant that I can go through another day. But today, ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software that allows anyone to build a website, but they don't call it a website, they call it a sales funnel, okay? Whether it's opt-in page, a funnel to collect emails, right? Or a funnel to sell a product, whether it's digital or physical, anything like that. A funnel to sell or promote an affiliate program, right? Anything from Amazon Associates to courses to anything like that. Or even ClickFunnels. Okay. So the 30-day challenge is basically it's for beginners, for intermediate, novices, or even experts. What it comes with is training for beginners. So Russell Brunson will go through, what a funnel is, how to use a funnel, how to apply it, right? And then Stephen Larson would hold you accountable, go through basically what to do, and what you should be doing today by the end of that day, right? So it's like bite-sized pieces where, you learn it. You learn how to do it by Julie Stowen, which is the marketing executive for ClickFunnels, right? So she'll show you actually how to do it, right? Stephen Larson will make sure you do it. so you get the training, right? Pretty much the pre-training, and then showing the demonstration of how to do it, and then accountability coach where he'll light a fire under your butt, okay, to do that task. So you learn the task day one, you learn how to do the task day one, or you pretty much are demonstrated, right? And then you essentially are being told you have to do it by the end of today, and do that for the whole 30 days. So they go through the whole thing, how to create a hook, which is pretty much like to grab people's attention, right? Headline, story, go through the story of how this changed your life, someone else's lives, right? And then leads to the offer, like pretty much what you're selling them, what you're offering them, like whether it be a coaching call, whether it be a whole package, right? They'll go through all of that within the 4-week thing. And the goal is to come up with one funnel, at least one funnel for this challenge, right? By the end of this month, this 30-day challenge, you'll have a high converting funnel, or know how to actually go through this high converting funnel. And then the last week, which is, okay, so you have the sales funnel or web page. That doesn't mean anything until you drive traffic into it. So they'll show you how to drive traffic, right? Things like, free traffic through SEO or networking or paid traffic, right? So that, and another creative way, which I shouldn't give away, the Dream 100 list. But that's, you guys will learn all that. This is gibberish now, but you guys will learn all that. The bottom line is, since you guys stayed till the end, I'm giving you a chance to win a free One Funnel Away challenge admission, okay? So you would sign up through me, and I will refund you, give you the $100 back. How would you like that? Okay? Interested? All right. Step 1, in order to enter, you have to sign up under my link down below for the free course, and then the One Funnel Away challenge, okay? Through my link. Then I'll get the notification that you signed up. Step 2, share this with through Facebook. Share the video through Facebook and say, hey, one funnel away challenge giveaway, right? Something like that. And then share it with a second social media platform, whether it's Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, your blog, your YouTube, your podcast, whatever you have, right? And then screenshot those two and then send me an email to Bobby at bobbysaharath.org, which I'll leave the link down below as well. And then join my Facebook group. The link is down below. And on one of the questions, just answer something like, I'm interested in the one funnel away sweepstake, so I know that you came through YouTube. All right. And that's it, guys. And oh yeah, you guys have to subscribe and like this video. And if you're not subscribed and I picked you, unfortunately you won't be able to get that free one funnel away. And like I said, this is I'm gonna randomly select 10 people. All right, and then that's about it, guys. Again, recap: you guys are gonna get one funnel away challenge for free if you guys do these steps. Okay, so step 1, sign up under the link for the free course and the one funnel away challenge, right, under my link, and then share this on your Facebook and also a second social media platform, Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever it is, YouTube, your blog, your podcast, and screenshot those two and email it to me, Bobby at bobbysaharath.org. Okay. Then comment down below when you're done, right? Also join my Facebook group, right? And put on one of the questions, just put interested in one funnel away sweepstakes. Am I missing anything? Join Facebook group. Yeah, that's it, guys. Comment down below, and you guys need to be subscribed to my channel. Other than that, have a good one, guys.